In this video I'll be showing you how to turn a surface body like this one, created within form mode, into a solid body. So chances are if you've clicked on this video you've created something similar to a cylinder within form mode and now looking to fill it in so that you can carry on using the tools you use more often. To go about doing this, of course, we'll need the surface body to begin with, and here's one that I made earlier while creating 3D printable vase designs available in the CAD file linked below. To begin turning this into a solid, first we need to finish the form using the tick at the top of the page. Now we're back into the typical design environment. We're going to be defining the extents of the solid fill using planes. Come over to the left hand side of the screen and click on the eye next to the origin folder to toggle the visibility of these origin planes. Now we can use the offset plane tool to create another plane starting on the original origin plane at the very top of our surface body. Once positioned correctly, press enter, and the plane also needs to be available at the bottom of the model too. But if the origin plane is already in this position, then this will work and you won't need to make another one. Once both of the planes are correctly positioned, open the create drop down menu and find your way down to the boundary fill tool. Once the tool is open, select both the planes just mentioned and then the surface body also. If everything has worked correctly, the whole model should light up green, and then using the select cells arrow on the right hand side of the screen, click on the tick box that should have formed in the center. After that's done, just press OK, and just like that you should have a solid fill. Be sure to turn off your origin and construction geometry, and then you can check that it is completely solid using the section analysis tool, clicking on the top and then dragging all the way down and making sure there's no gaps formed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. There's a lot more Fusion 360 tutorials coming.